This is David. He came over, he's gonna help me dig out some of this wall here, and we're gonna try and get the fence off the top of it so we can dig out this wall and replace these railroad ties that are caving in. Hello. We are, let me start that again. Hello. On my way now to pick up my brother. We are going to do 2 small cleanups I have today. The first one, everything's outside, just got loaded up. Get it the fuck out of there. The second one, most of this stuff is outside, but they do have an elliptical that is upstairs and apparently very heavy, so we will have our fun with that. So yeah, enjoy this vlog here. Enjoy it. You should enjoy it. You doggy. Hold up. Who is that, Dookie?
Doopy.
Is that Aunt Mike?
Hi, Bubba.
Alrighty. So we just got here to our pickup. This is what we got. We're gonna start loading her up and go from there.
I'm kind of wondering if we should tilt the couch that way. That way it's not top heavy.
Do you think, or if we just do another step from there and anchor it this way and pull it? Well, it's not top heavy because you have.
Oh, true, yeah.
We'll cross this one this way and pull it that way.
All right, you doing 3 straps?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah, look, it's moving the whole trailer. That ain't.
Yeah.
I'm feeling pretty good about that.
Yeah. Doopy.
All right, so we are back, gonna get this all unloaded and sorted and head out to the second one today.
Has the door open.
Alrighty. Oh, hi kitties. Up to the left, you said?
Yes.
Hi kitties. Hi. Okay. Oh, she's hefty. Oh, there's a bolt through it. I need to fix the handle. It's starting to... Hey, that one worked. There we are. Good tools to have. Oh, that ain't nothing, I got that. Here, I'll hold that. Go ahead. All right, I'll do it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. So just got back with that second load here. Gonna sort it, unload it, and I have another lady that messaged me in between. She has some metal she wants me to pick up and some garbage she's gonna pay me to get rid of. So that's what we'll be doing next. Okay, bye. Get this heavy shit in first, and then we'll throw the, how heavy is that? In your hand?
It's not heavy, it's just awkward, you know? Like it's heavy on one end.
They ain't dead yet.
Yeah, those are sheds.
Oh, okay.
It feels like we're missing pieces on it. Like, you know, trying to figure it out is just not.
Oh, yeah. Put this right on top. We'll kick the bottom out. Man, this weather's all over today, huh? I don't know what it's gonna do.
No, honestly, it's like we used to have the dumpsters out this way.
Yeah.
Which made it nice, but
Now
really
there's
start the construction over again.
yeah. Oh man. Oh man.
Are you kidding me? How about this 3-0 start? That is pure heart.
Okay, got Chooch with me. Going to 2 clean outs today, 2 bigger ones. Gonna stop, pick up the trailer we're riding, and we'll see you guys when we get down there. All right, coming up on the first pal here. Oh, wow.
Things and stuff, huh?
Lots of things and stuff, holy shit. Okay. I'll cut out for now, come back when we're a little further along. Alrighty, so we were not able to fit all of that in here, but what we did get is a large chunk of it. We got a whole truck bed full of vinyl flooring here. It's heavy as shit. Got the whole trailer here filled with cabinets and chairs and miscellaneous stuff. I think I have human poop on me. It might, I don't know, it might be dog, but I'm pretty sure it's human poop, at least from the smell. All right. Got a real fucking beautiful day here. On my way now, pick up my buddy Zach, AKA Big Worm, who you've seen in my first junk removal job. He's gonna help me out. We're gonna finish up the job downtown that I got going on. First we're gonna unload that load at the dump. And yeah, we're gonna try and not get soaked today. We'll see how that goes.
Get mutated, bro.
Get mutated. Woo. Okay, so we are here. We're gonna get this load loaded up and definitely not fuck this.
Nope.
Alrighty, so this is what we got left here. These bags, this and this.
Cool. Pull this up.
There you go. You're thinking with your noodle. All right, I will turn you guys back on when we're close to finish here. Okay, so the rain really started coming down on us at the end here, but we are all finished up. Being a little wet never killed anybody. Got our pictures, can send them to my guy, and we will get paid. Oh yeah, at the second load here. Gonna get her all bagged up. I'll show you guys what we got going on. Not too shabby, just a little porch load here. Got a nice and easy where we can just huck it off the porch into there maybe, I don't know. We'll see what we got. Okay. Check this full fucking load out here. We got our pal cleaned up. Gonna take my pictures here for proof. Wham. Bam. And thank you, ma'am. What do you think, buddy? A good day? Hell yeah. I reckon it was. Now we're gonna dry off.